ground right now!
I'm sorry.
I have 2 in the backyard right now.
His name is Clark Del Paz. Screaming.
On the stomach now! On your stomach now!
Please.
Do not look at me! Where's the 3rd one?
He over there.
Stand by. Got 2 prone out there complying. I'm getting you an address. Stand by. Do not look at me. Get on the ground. Do not look at me.
My mama.
Do not look at me. Stay on the ground. You're in there? Get over here now. Get over here now. Go. Just get on the ground. Stand by. I got all 3 now. Stand by.
I'm going to jail.
$3865 West 21st. Don't be reaching.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Can you come on?
3865 West 21st Street. 3 black juveniles proned out. They are complying. Everyone, show me your hands. You in the gray, show me your hands. Just lay on the ground. Just lay on the ground.
You call my mom.
3865 West 21st. I have 3.
Please. Please. Please don't hurt us. You call my mom.
We'll call parents in a second. You guys are doing good. Thank you for complying. Once I get all the units here, we'll detain everybody and we'll figure everything out.
Going to jail?
We're not going to jail right now. You're going to be detained, okay? Just keep on complying.
We need some more people that be in.
3865, it's at the middle of an intersection. There's a Jeep in the driveway with a white Kia. There's a white Jeep that just stopped in front of it.
Please help me. No!
You're right in front of it.
No, please. I'm sorry. Please don't hurt me. I do, Mommy.
Re-detained.
Please don't hurt me.
Okay. I got it.
Please don't hurt me.
I have a not checking
Hey, hey, stop talking. Don't reach for anything. Put that down.
Please don't hurt me.
Hey, stop. Stop your crying. You should have thought about that before you got in that car.
I'm sorry, sir, please.
Okay, well, stop crying. You see anybody else crying?
No, I just want my mom.
Stay off your phone for a
I'm not
minute.
gonna do
I don't care. Stay off your
I
phone.
never did this. Oh, God.
Stay right there. Re-detained. Slow it down. We're in front of 20. We're on West 21st. Go south on 21st from Dawesenm, halfway down. No, you can't call anybody. You can't answer anybody.
Yeah, I got it all in there.
Okay. Do you have any gun? Does anybody have any guns on them?
I don't tow guns.
Do you have any guns on you? What's your name? Take that off.
I got a shot in my head already. I don't tow guns.
You got a gun with you?
We don't tow guns.
Stand up. You don't tow guns. You just hold on. Don't reach for anything. Hey,
I'm just
so good. Relax.
This is my first time in the car.
Well, I could tell by the way that you drove. You suck at driving. Stand up. Second. Hey, stop talking. Is anybody else crying?
Oh, I don't want my mommy, but
Face the fence. Your mommy ain't gonna help you now.
I'm gonna laugh.
That was real funny, ain't it? Let's go. Real funny, ain't it?
No, ma'am.
Okay, that's what I thought. It's not funny. All right.
Well, we got time here somewhere. I got these guys. Stay on
How old are you? You're 12 years old. Stealing cars? What the hell's wrong with you?
Who wants 2?
CPD's en route.
You want me to put one in,
Yeah.
one of your other guys will come up?
Yeah.
You check him.
Hey, buddy, come here. I don't know if you guys patted him on or not. You have anything on you? No. You guys have any weapons?
No, you got $1 in this? Is this yours? Is this yours?
No.
Who did I take this from? This one and this one?
Yeah, you didn't get your phone. Sit down.
Whose is this one? Okay. Mom, you are in front of her. Is that your thing? Is this your dollar? Yeah, I'm gonna put it back in your pocket, alright?
Well, man, how old are you?
11.
Hey, I wasn't too far off when I said 10, huh?
No, not at all. Okay. Alright. Let's do this.
Can I get it back over my phone?
Nope.